Hello, this is me, Flash 8, and today we'll start teach you Linux commands. But first, let's explain why hackers use Linux terminal. To answer this question, I will present a scenario that always happens in the daily life of hackers. When the hacker gets access point inside any machine or server, since there is no GUI, what he found is directories, just directories. And here comes the role of the terminal where it can fully control these machines. So let's start our tutorial. First thing we have to know where we are in the system. And we use here pwt, which is shortcut for print work directory. Next command is ls, which is last, and this is give you a review the about the directories and files and rolled in your possession. So let's try it, and here we got a lot of directories and files. So from here, let's say we want to go to desktop, from the base to desktop. So here we use the command cd, which is shortcut for change directory, and we can make it faster with tab, which is will complete the directory where we go. Let's try it like cd, and let's go for like example desktop ds, and let's tab, and here we got the complete directory, and it's gone. And we find that right now the terminal is so messy and have a lot of information, and we don't like to work in this messy platform actually. So we have two methods to clear the terminal. First is using Control plus L, which skips all rows and makes the row you are working with as the first in the interface without erasing the above. And the other way to wipe everything inside the terminal and make it completely clear is by typing clear, which is give you an empty terminal and purify one. And we also have to learn how to create a new file, and here we use the command touch, and here you can specify the format of the created file by writing its shortcut after the dot. Like let's say that our file is called cal, and its format may be PHP or PY, which is shortcut Python, or JS, JavaScript. So let's make it text, and here we got our file. And the last thing we want to learn today is creating a new directory, and here we use command mkdir, which is the shortcut of make directory, make dir directory. And let's call our directory is rec, and here we are got our directory. And here we are finished our tutorial. I hope you like the course. Make sure like the video, subscribe to the channel, and go to the next phase of the series.